Let's make a soft and delicious date and walnut cake today. So to begin with, we're going to add some butter to a bowl, then add some granulated brown sugar. Now whip it on high speed for about 2-3 minutes till it's nice and fluffy. Now we'll add some curd and whip it again for another 2 minutes. Now add some refined flour, some baking powder and baking soda, and we'll keep that aside. Now take another bowl and combine dates and walnuts. Add some refined flour. This helps the dates and walnuts spread into the cake uniformly and it doesn't stick together in one place. Now add all of this mixture to the cake batter, add some vanilla essence and mix it up. Now add some milk, mix it up, and then we're going to add the cake batter to a mold which I have lined with parchment paper. I'm going to tap it a few times to release any air bubbles, put some chopped walnuts on it, and then we're going to add it to a preheated oven. Now I'm going to bake my cake in my Glen Oven. It is so simple to use. It already has preset options, so all I needed to do was select the bake option, set the timer at 40 at 180 degrees and start. And my cake is ready. I can't wait to dig in. It is so soft and delicious. You've got to try out this recipe. I've mentioned all the details in the description.